Hi friends, I'm super excited to share this video with you. This is my Dollar Tree video that you guys have been asking for. I'm sorry I haven't been doing it. I've been focused on my travel business and focused on getting you guys the best travel news. So go ahead, subscribe, be a part of our family. This video has that beachy feel, that vacation feel. So I can't go anywhere right now. I'm in quarantine. I have all my boys with me, but I wanted to turn my patio into my getaway. So enjoy the video. I hope you like it. I hope everybody is doing well. So I am doing the Dollar Tree video that you have requested over 100 times. So I went to the Dollar Tree and I got all of these items except for these candlesticks. You guys know I'm crazy about repurposing items, and so I got black sand, white sand, some seashells. I got these trash bins. You are just going to see and love what I did with this. So I am going to take this glue here from the Dollar Tree and take the sticker off and then put it there on the candlestick just like so. So once you do this, you're just gonna see it's just like magic. There you go. So I did it overnight so that way in the morning it would just be good enough that I could put everything in and it wouldn't, fall off. So I made sure to glue it at night. So I layered white, black, just like so. You could see it there in the video. It's white, black, white, black, white, black, white, and then I put the shells on top. And this was so easy, guys, so simple, and it didn't cost no more than like $3, $4. So here is the result after. I didn't put the flowers and everything. That was just in the beginning. I fancied it up after, but you can see I just used this little gather sign right there because we gather on our porch. I love it. And look how beautiful these turned out. So simple. I mean, you could do this so easy. And I used that trash can in the back. If you see it, I used it as like a holder. And then I have this fan that I found literally on the side of the road. Cannot pass it up. So all I have are beach chairs, so I ended up putting them on each side, and look at this. My husband and I can just share a cup of coffee, relax out here, and it's so beautiful, guys. It's just so beautiful. I love it. So thank you for watching this video. Put in the comments if you like it. Give me a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't. I do everything here. Love you guys. Bye.